In this lesson, you'll learn how to identify and extract image uniform resource locators, or URLs, using regular expressions. We'll focus on common image extensions like .jpg, .png, and .gif. Let's dive in. Let's explore some common image extensions. First, .jpg or .jpeg is the most common format for photos and complex images. Next, .png supports transparency and lossless compression, making it ideal for logos and graphics. Finally, .gif is often used for animated images and simple graphics. Image URLs typically follow a standard web URL pattern. Here's an example: https://example.com/images/photos/sunset.jpg. As you can see, image URLs typically end with a file extension such as .jpg, .png, or .gif. Here's a simple regular expression pattern to match common image extensions: open parenthesis JPG vertical bar JPEG vertical bar PNG vertical bar GIF close parenthesis $. This pattern matches strings that end with a dot, followed by JPG, JPEG, PNG, or GIF. Now let's create a more robust regular expression pattern for matching complete image URLs. https://open bracket circumflex /s close bracket plus / open parenthesis JPG vertical bar JPEG vertical bar PNG vertical bar GIF close parenthesis open parenthesis / open bracket circumflex / south close bracket asterisk close parenthesis *. This pattern matches complete URLs starting with HTTP or HTTPS, followed by one or more non-whitespace characters, then a dot, and finally, one of the specified image extensions. It also accounts for optional query parameters after the extension. Now let's implement this regular expression in Python. First, import the RE module. Define the pattern variable as rhttps:// */s+/ jpg jpeg png gif */ Then define the text variable as check out this image, https://example.com/photo.jpg single quote. Use re.findAll with the pattern and text variables to find all the matches. Finally, print the matches variable. To perform case-insensitive matching, which means matching both uppercase and lowercase versions of the extensions, modify the Python code as follows. The pattern variable is defined as rhttps:// */s+/ jpg jpeg png gif */s*. Then, set matches equal to re.findAll, passing in the pattern and text variables as well as re.ignore case. This modification now matches .jpg, .png, .gif, and other case variations. To match additional image formats, update the regular expression pattern. https:// open bracket circumflex /s close bracket plus / open parenthesis JPG vertical bar JPEG vertical bar PNG vertical bar GIF vertical bar BMP vertical bar SVG vertical bar WEP vertical bar TIFF close parenthesis open parenthesis * open bracket circumflex / south close bracket asterisk close parenthesis *. This extended pattern includes formats like .bmp, .svg, .webp, and .tiff. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.